What's going on, guys? We're back here with another video. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, we're back here with another video. So we're gonna do a crash bar install, and these are all the tools you need. And your crash bar should come with bolts. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is remove the horn. So you're gonna remove those bolts from here. Then after you remove the horn, you're gonna remove these bolts up here. So as you can see, I just removed the horn. So now I'm gonna install the bottom part of the crash bar to these holes right here, and then install the top part up here. So I actually lied, and the good thing about coming to AutoZone is you could just walk inside and buy the tools you need. So I actually needed some Allen keys. So we're gonna need the Allen keys to install these bolts. So the after look, fucking crash. The after the crash bar. Huh?
Just fuck this. Look it.
Oh shit.
Fucking tail lights busted. I got a new one in the trunk. I can get a rubber mallet to try to get the stink out.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.